Big shout out to Harmony One traders and holders. Let's look at 28 cents, guys. Currently, you're doing phenomenally well. You're beating the market. You're up about 6.96%. Let me talk about my last video, please. Listen to this, guys.
Right now, we don't even have really like a double top, do we? We don't have a double top. We don't have a rising wedge. So right now, it looks like we're in kind of good shape in terms of people who want to move to the upside. I'd say that. So I'd look forward to positive pricing is all I'm going to say right now. That is.
Bam. There we go, guys. Looking forward to positive pricing. And again, guys, I always ask you, if you're bullish on Harmony One, if you think it's going to $1, hit the like button. And if you like these updates, essentially me telling you guys, looking forward to positive price action, that's what I expect, guys. Hit that like button. I got 45 out of about 400 people think it's going to go to 1 or that want these updates, guys. It's crucial as I make my decisions to bring you these videos or not, guys. I need you to hit that like button. And, if I have 40 out of 400, it just kind of goes on the back burner a little bit, and I don't want that to happen. So just hit the like button, guys, and I'd be happy to make them for you. So in terms of the overall pricing function here, the main thing I want you guys to focus on is this curvature, okay? I discussed that in the previous videos as well. I did say, at some point you're going to want to go vertical here, okay? That's what's occurring now. It's nice within the pattern conformance, I'm going to say, and the completion. I'm going to say we're in the midst of a completion. Let's go to the hourly. Let's see what we're completing here. It's going to be essentially this, I'm going to call it a bull pennant right now. This bull pennant, which we had a little bit of difficulty. Yeah, deep breath on that. You guys know a little bit of difficulty breaking out of this. Finally, we had pushed a few times on it, but finally we did get up and out of that. So excited you guys are doing well on this. Let me go ahead and raise this up. Guys, your ultimate target on this is going to be around 31.8. I'd say 31.8. You may have a cross line of, I'm going to say, resistance, guys, but you have already conquered through one. Let me go through and let's show the line of resistance that you've already essentially peaked out up above, guys. This line right here, kind of a crucial line for you guys to maintain the price action above. It could work as a limiting function for the completion of this bullish pattern here. So as much as this line would want to repeat the amplitude here, we may run into a little bit of a frustration at this level. So we'll be watching that. There's one more level of resistance because, guys, in terms of that completion, I don't want you just to necessarily always count on the that previous amplitude as as being 100% solid. That's exactly where you're going. Always look at your lines of resistance between, or any limiting, line of resistance, and that would by definition be a line of resistance. So let's look at this daily chart as well, guys. Let's look at the daily. Let's draw down. This is, guys, the next real limiting factor that I can determine would be back into this 8 to 9 cent area, just looking for any kind of a peak, guys, that would want to attach to a line of resistance to create maybe a channel, something along those lines, all right, in terms of a trend channel, maybe something that would be expressive that might want to re-express itself in terms of a limitation. I would go first and foremost, and the guys, that would put a limitation in around the 31, about that 31.5 to, and around that 31.5, I think is fair enough to state. Now, in terms of in terms of this current level, this would be kind of the primary level. We would raise this up on the daily just a touch, and guys, you're just right at that line. So I thought it was crucial to bring you guys this information ASAP. I'm just going to say that you're currently on this line of resistance, and just need to see you guys power through this, okay? This is a real line of resistance, This is not just a, this is not maybe it is or maybe it isn't. This is a real line here. So you guys make sure you respect that. And I'm looking forward to you guys getting up and above that. Looks like you conquered through a little doji right here. Very well done, guys. That's not easy. I want to tell you, you conquered through a doji. If you guys know your candlesticks, way to go, huh? Harmony One doing nice, huh? Nicely. Way to go, guys. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and Crypto Kingdom. Again, we date way back in terms of Harmony One. I'm just excited every time I see it, guys, towards the top of the running pack for a day, whether or not the market's up or down. I'm excited for you guys. Congratulations, and we'll bring more, guys, videos if I do get those likes. If the likes are there, if the demand is there, we'll bring the videos, and if not, I'll send you some signals, and we'll catch up as we are right now in terms of a crucial time period. Okay, so take care of yourselves and have a good rest of your weekend. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and Crypto Kingdom.